how to play solo mode in Stumble Guys. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that you can make this process in your computer or your phone, doesn't matter. And I will point out that you need to have two devices to play solo mode. So after opening Stumble Guys on two devices, you need to come right here on Party, below Tournament, so Party, and here you need to create a normal game or a custom game. In my case, I will create a normal game, so click, and you will create the party. Now if you click right here to play, you can see that you need to have at least 2 players required to start. So that's why you need to have 2 accounts. You need to invite the other account to join the party. Then you can play solo. The other account that you invite will not play because it is your account. So you need to invite the account, join, and click to play. You can also invite your friend and ask your friend to just not move. I recommend you to use your phone and your computer, so you can use 2 accounts at the same time. I hope I help you all to play Solo Mode in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you anyway, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.